Okay na, okay na, okay na.
Ay, kung sa akin, Taro.
Malaman kayo ba? Ano pa? May pambot.
Buwang tayo dahil.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Walay baguhan na. Nakalata na ni Carmen, bago siya nakaabot.
1 hour sila nagulat na ako, guys.
Lamig isabihan, alas 2 ka ni wala sa mga hawa lagi.
What is up, Prominence? This is your vlogger, science teacher. Welcome to my channel. And today, guys, we are going to have another travel together with my friends. There they are at the back, and we are going to Asata, guys. Uy, Asata!
Na, SG po tayo, SG.
Guys, magpa-SG may karon, guys. Yan. SG sa tupik, guys. Yan, so abangan nyo po yung aming travel later, guys. So, see you later.
Kasi ito adlaw mo doon, ito na adlaw.
We have just arrived at Singapore. SG man daw. Singapore. Dili ay. Hi po, ma'am. This is SG. Okay. This is Strawberry and Guayabano Farm. Ay, oo, yan, oh.
Hello, welcome to Strawberry and Guayabano Farm.
This is Strawberry and Guayabano Farm.
100 na entrance. Meron po tayong free tour guide sa willing pong mag-trek. 2,500 steps, and meron po tayong activity na tinatawag naming move on deck. Pwede po tayong sumigaw, wag lang tayong tatalon. Dati ang tawag namin doon, buwis buhay spot, pero na-realize namin na hindi tayo dapat nagbubuwis ng buhay sa mga.
Ay, sana all.
Sa buwis
Sana
buhay
all.
spot, ma'am, sir, gagamit po tayo ng harness for your safety.
Yan.
Sir, kung wala po kayong forever, baka dyan nyo po matatagpuan sa loob ng...
Lang, ma'am, magdilang anghel ka sana, ma'am.
Thank you. Yung
Thank
ketchup po
you
siya.
Thank you, enjoy!
Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Alright, so this is the Strawberry and Guayabano Farm, guys. SG. Entrance. Entrance. So this is SG, guys. Nasa loob na tayo ngayon. Then as you can see, maraming mga nakatanim dyan. Ayan.
Bayan!
Nakatanim. Tapos merong mga bulaklak na nandito, guys. Ayan, this is SG, guys. This is the entrance of the SG. See on my background, guys, meron silang mga pa-entrance dyan na pasayaw tsaka tugtog. Ay, tumigil na sila. Ayan. So, maririnig ninyo ang tunog, guys. Ayan, di ba? Ethnic na ethnic masyado yung tipong, ano, you can feel the culture in this place, guys. Di ba? Napaka-strong ng culture dito, guys. Ayan. Di ba?
Ay, kung sa akin, Taro.
Malaman kayo ba? Ano pa? May pambot. Yan guys, so napagod kami sa kakakasayaw. Yan. So marami talagang mga flowers na nandito guys, as you can see in our sides. Yan. And then the place is also very cold guys. At may background. Diba? Doon ay restaurant. Ay, kato diri o nung one. O, diba? Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa may deck nila. I don't know what they call this one. Nakalimutan ko, nakalagay doon sa may front. And then, masyadong malalim yung nandito guys, sa ilalim namin. So, nasa itaas tayo guys. I don't know if you can see this one, pero masyado siyang malalim guys. I don't know how many feet is this. Yan, diba? So, nasa itaas kami guys. Diba? Bray, paano na siya i-pronounce? Lavening deck or lavening deck? Lavening. Lavening? Ay, lavening. It's letter V, that's not letter N. So now guys, we are on the move on deck, pero ayaw glukso kay basig na sa SG imong forever. Sana all. Pwedeng sumigaw dito guys if you want to shout something for your past relationship. Oy, sana all na past relationship. In this area guys, so you can have the camping and picnic. So this is the camping and the picnic site. And camping is not a date, it's an endurance test. Okay, dyan, if you can survive camping with someone you should marry on the way home. Ay! And this is the camping site guys, the picnic area. Even though it's sunny, pero hindi siya mainit dito guys kasi the weather here is cold. Yan. So malamig dito guys sa may Kablon. Maybe because it is on the high elevation, nasa mataas na lugar tayo. So mapifeel mo yung lamig ng simoy ng hangin. Nangan siya pa dira. Si Brian yung nakuha, ginakuha ni Brian ang mga kwan.
Buang tayo dyan. Mali, buang agad dyan.
Mana sila?
Oh my God! Picture direct.
Of course.
Picture. Alright, so as you can see guys, napakaraming flowers dito sa may SG Strawberry Goyabano Farm. Yan. So as you can see in my background, there are lots of flowers here. So hindi talaga magsasawa yung mga mata mo sa kakatingin sa mga perfect and Instagrammable places or spots here at the SG guys. So we are going to go to the CR first kasi naiihit kami. Then as you can see, maraming mga binibentang flowers dito. Ay, uy, binibenta nga. Okay, so meron tayong mga Pitonia, Imperial Green. Yan. So they are only 100 pesos, 150 pesos, 200 pesos, 150. So this is the souvenir shop. Souvenir shop na dere, ma'am. Ay, souvenir shirts. So if you want to buy some souvenirs, so pwede dito. Tignan yung mga bags ni Madere, ma'am. Ranges from ano, ma'am? From pinakamahal ni mo, ma'am?
600 po yung...
Ah, okay. Tapos pinakamura mo, ma'am?
150 yung maliit.
Ah, okay.
Pero yung naubos na po.
Ah, okay. So, perfect na perfect. Diba? Foods.
Banana chips.
Banana chips. Card games. May card games sila. Banana chips.
These are the CR for the boys and for the girls. Libun for girls. Lagi for boys. So the flower shop. Pag sila yung mga flowers. Here. So tuwarang vlogger.
Maganda yung kanilang CR dito, guys, kasi kompleto sa mga amenities. And then look, there's CR, di ba? Ang ganda ng kanilang CR, guys. Yung kanilang doors ay mga kawayan na maliliit. Tapos ano na siya, Instagrammable. Kahit na CR lang yan siya, guys, pero Instagrammable at saka napaka-perfect, guys. Picture perfect CR. Di ba? Yung mga nandyan, guys, mga plants yan siya. So, binibenta yan siya. Ma'am, sir, bili na kayo. 1,000 lang.
Naligya siya, day.
Ito ba yung hacienda ni Bibi? Hacienda ni Bibi, guys. Marami sa mga sibuyas na nandito. Sibuyas. Yan. Hacienda ni Bibi.
Napil to.
Ha? Flowers.
Shake your body, baby girl, make it go side to side. Earthquake, earthquake, whoa, you. Shake your body, baby girl, make it go side to side. Earthquake, earthquake, whoa, you.
Say hi. Say hi to our vlog.
Oh, di ba? Dancing mascot, guys.
Welcome.
Moments later.
Hi guys, so I am here right now at the house of Marley here at Tupi, guys. So my friend Debbie invited us here. So this is the place, guys. Yan. So this is a resort, swimming pool siya. Tapos ito yung view dito, guys. Yan. Alright, I guess this would be the end of my vlog here at Tupi, guys. So I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa happening sa aking YouTube channel. So that will be all for today, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.